Robyn Cobbs is used to being around doctors. In fact, she works with them each day as part of her job at CHI Health.
I am responsible for connecting provider to provider. So I take a provider out so they know they're referring providers, and the referring providers knows who they're referring to. So we're a connector of people.
What she's not used to is being the patient. But when it came time for a hip replacement in April, she knew she was in good hands.
And all was well. It was a fine oiled machine.
Robyn's smooth recovery quickly came to a halt in early May when she woke up in the middle of the night making a strange noise and unable to talk. Her husband quickly jumped into action.
He turns on the light, yells for my son, call 911. There's something wrong with your mom. And he grabbed me in his arms. He said, "You're not dying on me tonight, Robyn. You are not dying on me tonight."
What happened next felt like a whirlwind. Paramedics rushed her to the hospital for tests, and she was transferred from CHI Health Lakeside to CUMC Bergen Mercy.
They did an MRI. And then that's when they came back and said, well, you have a tumor on the lining of your brain.
That tumor was likely what caused Robyn to have a seizure that night, and more would follow.
This is her preoperative MRI that she got.
Robyn started seeing Dr. Omar Akbeek, a CHI Health neurosurgeon who believes Robyn could have been living with this tumor for years.
You can have tumors of the covering of the brain. And so the covering of the brain is called the meninges, and that's what Robyn had. It's more common in women compared to men. They think there's maybe a hormonal estrogen component.
Robyn had two options: keep monitoring the tumor or have surgery to remove it.
When it gets to a certain size, we prefer surgical treatment to decompress and take out, this ball that's pushing up on the brain.
Robyn's surgery was successful and her tumor was benign. Now, a few months later, the mom of four is already back to work and, most importantly, back to being Robyn.
I haven't missed a beat, but it's just like, was I dreaming all of that happened? And it just has been a crazy year. I just feel like I'm here because of the great care that they provided in their team.